Hola, hola, hello beautiful people, hello wonderful people, welcome back to Elastic Viewers. We're back again on another video. On this one, we're going to be talking about putting your money where your goals are. You guys always hear, put your money where your mouth is, put your money where your mouth is. Yeah, put your money where your mouth is, but put your money where your goals are. How does that sound? Let me know in the comments, guys. What are you thinking already? Like, what is this going to be about? What are we going to be talking about? How do you put your money where your goals are? What do you think this is about? This one, right, is something I really realized, like, my clarity on it was heightened recently. The fact that you can always invest your money in the things that you're trying to achieve, to grow better and to develop whatever that thing is better. Investment comes in different forms. You can invest your money, you can invest your time, you can invest your I don't know about invest your family, no, like sacrifice your family, no, but you can invest maybe your friends, or you send them on errands to do this for you, your family, whatever. But investing your money in that thing you're trying to achieve may just make a difference. Just you putting your money inside safe, eventually when you're trying to give up, you'll be like, but all the money I spent on this thing, no, let me continue to hustle. So it just comes in different forms, but I'm just gonna go through different things with you all on how to continue to do this, how to really implement this. I said, for you to really do this, you don't have to be scared of putting your money in these different things. When you have this thing you're trying to achieve, if it's buying equipment for it, I'm not saying you have to buy the most expensive equipment. If you have a blog, you have to write. You have to, if you have a blog or you have a website idea in mind, and then you have to buy domain at some point. Domain will cost some money. Maybe you have to hire someone at some point. That will cost some money. You can't also do everything on yourself, which leads me to the next point of be comfortable getting and paying people to do the things that you need to do. You don't have to pay them to do everything, but there's people that are better at you at doing things. You cannot say you want to build a company and you're the one that wants to make the logo. You want to make the logo. You want to edit all your content. If you're small, that's perfectly understandable and that's beautiful. Use your resources now, what you have, to develop yourself. But you can't say you want to do that forever. At some point you have to start paying people to do things for you to be more efficient. So be comfortable paying people to do things for you. For example, on my channel recently, as I'm growing, I decided, let me try to see if someone can make my thumbnails for me. I know I've done a video on using Fiverr. You all on here in the US or maybe outside the US may know Fiverr, a freelance platform where you can pay people to help you. I'll put the link in the description also. It's so useful. I talked about the usefulness of it, but I haven't posted that video. I'll post it later. But just in general, hire someone to do something for you. The little money that you have, I'm sure someone will be willing to collect that little money. As far as you have little money to give, there's somebody willing to collect the little money. If you find someone that has the skill set, hire them to manage your social media if that's where you're trying to go. Hire them to manage your content if that's what you're trying to do. If you're a cooking business, your people consulting business, you need to hire people to help you then bring more people in, if that makes sense. You always need to put your money in different things. Next thing I put down is buy what you need, but slowly. For example, with my content now, I've been on this YouTube for 2 years, 1.5 years, kind of. Yeah, 2 years. But I did not start off buying everything in the world. I did not even want to do that. I'm kind of person, I pace myself. That's why I said buy what you need, but slowly. If you're starting out something, you don't have to buy everything. You just start out slowly. Like you start from, okay, let me buy a phone. Of course, you probably already have a phone. Let me buy I don't even use ring lights anymore. Ring lights are, but I don't use them anymore. I now use direct sunlight. Do you understand what I'm saying? There are some things that you buy. You can say, okay, let me buy a new table stand for my video so that it will reach my level if either I'm standing or I'm sitting. Perfect. You can buy that to start out. Once you buy, and I tell myself sometimes when I buy something, I have to use it before I buy the next thing. And that's how you can also balance yourself. This is what putting your money into your goals, your businesses, your ventures really helps you to. It helps you just be better at money, because before you spend your money on something, you think twice and think, is this really necessary to spend my money on, or should I invest it in my business? You think about the benefits of investing into your business. So you buy those things, you start out slowly. Before you know it, once you can use that thing consistently, you know that you're good at it, then you can upgrade. You can give out the one you've had before, or you can just add something to it. Okay, now I've been using my phone consistently. I know that, okay, I'm doing this thing well. I'm actually using what I have. Now let me go ahead and buy a camera. You know, that's the importance of also doing it slowly, because when you just go ahead and maybe buy something expensive off the bat, you don't even know if you eventually use it. You will just feel overwhelmed. You feel like, where do I start? That's why I said start out slowly. If you get better at using something, you buy something else. I can also use another example for you guys. When I was learning makeup small, even though our makeup was still learning small, but when I was learning small, I'll be like, okay, I'll start with just doing my brows first for consistently. If I can do that consistently, then I'll move on to the next thing. Or I'll say, I'll start with buying mascara. If I can use mascara very well, okay, now I can start to do lashes, all this kind of stuff. Or if I can use this small Dollar Tree concealer I have, well, then I will know that, okay, I can be ready to buy another bigger brand concealer. Do you understand? Like, there's so many things you can put your money into, but I'm not saying you have to put all your money into it at once, but you start out slowly. Encourage yourself to use that. Encourage yourself to do that thing that you're doing, that you put your money into consistently. Once you get to a certain level, even you'll be confident with putting more things. For example, with me again, I'm going to use me because you all are watching me, of course. If I'm trying to buy new clothes, I always make sure that I clear out stuff I'm not using before I then buy new ones. I hope I'm not going off topic, but you guys are seeing it. It makes you know that, okay, if my goal is, I want to change my style, I have to put money into the new style of things I'm gonna do, my new dressing, new things. I have to put money there, but I also have to make sure that the ones that I'm not using again, I either give it out or I get rid of them. You don't have to cluster yourself. Let's not spend too long on that, but you all get my point. Buy what you need, but slowly. I said this would even make you more comfortable because you think of all the money. Okay, this was earlier when I said eventually when you're trying to give up on something and you think about all the money you spent on it, you will calm down. This kind of relates to how when it comes to like dating or even like planning a wedding or marriage, things like that. When your guy or when your person invests money into you, it doesn't have to be dating. It can also be the other way around anyways. When both parties will invest money into each other if you're in a relationship. When you guys invest money into each other, before eventually when things get rocky, as far as it's not abusive, when things get rocky, you won't just be like, I'm out of here. You're not gonna leave. You've bought this person gifts. You've spent money on this person. You've done so much together. You've experienced so much together. You're not gonna just run off like that. You're gonna try. And that is exactly what applies to your goals. When you put your money where your goals are, you are going to try for your goals. You're going to keep on accomplishing more. You're going to keep on trying. You're going to keep on believing in your goals the same way you believe in somebody that you put all your money on. Do you understand me? That's exactly what that's the point, or that's what I'm trying to say. And then I wrote, it gives you confidence to know that you're taking real action towards your goals. Eventually, I don't know why people run away from the idea of, if there's a venture or a business, when they hear that you have to pay, they'll be like, no, I'm out. It's like people just like to hear, salary or job, which is all cool. Everybody can do different things. People just like to hear that, whereby they'll just hear, they'll give you money for the work that they're doing, which is cool. But at the end of the day, you've still invested in your life. You have to get a phone at some point in your life. You have to get a computer. You have to get a laptop. You have to get clothes. You have to spend your money on your car, on your insurance, on your bills, on your rent. You have to do this, do that. So you still have to do expenses at the end of the day. So that's why I'm saying that putting that money in will give you the confidence that, you're actually putting in real action towards these things. Real action in terms of, you're not just saying, you're not just spending hours and hours a day working on something, and your money hasn't gone into it. Putting your money into it will definitely make you feel like, this is real action. Now this is serious. This has gotten serious. I have bought this thing. I have built this website. I have put my money into this. I've paid this person this. Now it's time for work. Let's get going. I hope you all understand that. Let me know in the comments, what are you thinking already? What are things recently that you've put your money into? I don't think anymore. It just depends. It may go well, it may not go well. But at the end of the day, you know that your investment went into your goals instead of going into something you don't need. Maybe it's fine, have fun, recharge, relax with people, spend time with people. But you cannot just base your whole existence on especially when you're young, right? It's okay when you're a bit. It depends, but at some point you have to differentiate. When you're younger, you have to hustle, and when you're a little bit older, you have to hustle less. Everything in life is a balance. I always say these things. Don't try to be here when you're here. It's okay, reach and achieve that level, but practice, hustle your hustle. Eventually you can be going on all those your lavish trips. Take your family, your husband, your children, your beautiful friends, everything, take them out. You can be lavishing your money, which everything you keep on doing as you go on in life anyways. But definitely eventually in the future it will require more investment, more money, more things. So starting off from now, putting in your money in smaller things, putting your money in your goals. Even if you're paying $300, that's obviously not small, but it's still something you're doing while you're young. And it also teaches you, that's why I wrote, it also teaches you how to spend your money better. I said it teaches you how to manage and budget your money better, because now you know there are goals to invest in. Now you know there's work to be done. Now you know there are things to be done. Now you know exactly what you need to invest in. Now you know that, okay, my money cannot just go all my money cannot just go into food and my bills. My money needs to also be going into my goals. You have an idea, reach out to people that can help you. Reach out to freelancers, reach out to people on Fiverr, reach out to your friends, reach out to people that can help you, but be ready to put your money into it, okay? Which I like about our generation, really. I feel like more people, if they don't start something, they put their money into it. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win, but that is life. And even if you lose at that moment, you're definitely learning something and you're definitely growing. Thank you all so much for watching this on here with me today. On here we do millennial talks, self-help development, faith, lifestyle content, reaction videos, Nigerian videos, things to just grow, to flourish, to inspire each other together. Hope you all are doing well, hope you're staying safe. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. We're growing. If you're watching me for the first time, please share, please subscribe, stay on here, like is very important. Let's YouTube start to boost our video more out there, so more people can start to watch and come on here, and more people can join us, okay? Hope you all are doing so well, hope you're staying safe. I love you all, thank you for everything. I hope that the Lord blesses you in everything that you do, in all your ventures, in all your goals. I pray that you have the strength, the power, the willpower. You need willpower. I pray that the Lord will give you willpower right now in everything that you're doing, to keep on going, to take the action to achieve it. But guess what? It doesn't need to be hard. You can definitely enjoy it. You can enjoy the process. You can smile about it. When you make a mistake, you smile. Just enjoy the process. It's life. We're not rushing anywhere at the end of the day. Our goal may be heaven, yes, but we're here in this world. Just enjoy whatever you do. Do your best in whatever you do. Sometimes I don't do my best when it comes to like task I don't want to do, but that's okay. The ones that you like, at least do your best. So the ones that you feel like can really nourish your life and those around you, do your best in it and keep on growing, keep on flourishing. I have a book also, you already know that, Effective Laziness. I'm going to link it in my bio. Go ahead and get your hard copy, go ahead and get your ebook version. Simple step guides to make the most out of your lazy, to grow, to achieve more with less, to just hustle easy, do less but achieve more while enjoying your goals. You just keep on tackling those goals, pass those in such an easy fashion. I hope you all understood that. Thank you all so much. God bless you. Come back for more. We're going to do more in this series, and stay safe and be blessed. Talk to you all later and see you soon. Bye.